Welcome to another video on investing. In this particular video, I'll be talking on how to diversify your portfolio, the need to diversify your portfolio, and why you should not fall in love with a particular organization. Now, how do you diversify your portfolio so you don't lose money? The best way for you to diversify your portfolio is for you to invest in different sectors of the economy. When I mean different sector of the economy, I mean you investing in the likes of financial, energy, pharmaceutical, retail, travel, technology, you name it. Just these different sectors. You can pick organizations in these different sectors and invest in them. And the way you actually protect yourself is if one particular sector lose ground, if one particular sector start losing money, other sectors may peak at that particular time. Like if you invest your all in a particular sector, despite you investing in different organizations in this sector, you may find out that you'll be losing money. Let's take, for example, you invest in the technology sector, the likes of Microsoft, Apple. We can see right now that this particular sector is in red. And this is because the American government announced an increase in interest rates, government bonds, and the whole lot. People are investing there. Now, when there's an increase in interest rate, the technology industry actually do suffer because they borrow a whole lot. And organizations in the financial sector, like the banks, they make massive money at this particular time because there's an increase in interest rate. So when you borrow money, they make money. That's it. So if you have investment in these two sectors, you find out that when the technology firm are actually losing money, the financial sector will actually make money for yourself because you are gaining. So this is how you diversify to balance things up. You invest in different sectors of the economy, not just one particular sector. Do your research and pick out the organizations that you think are suitable in these sectors and invest in these sectors. Second, if you need to invest, you can invest in different markets and not just concentrate in one particular market. Now, this is an investment. This is you getting your money to work for yourself. You don't have to just invest in the American market only when there are other great organizations out there doing massively and giving a whole lot of returns for people out there, paying dividends and a whole lot. So you can decide to put a break in the American stock when you have so many stocks in your portfolio and look elsewhere. Look at the Chinese market, look at the London market, the London Stock Exchange. So you can look into different markets to protect yourself from you losing money. Let's say the American markets right now start losing money. You find out that other markets may be gaining at that particular point in time. And then it helps you protect your money. It helps you protect yourself from losing money. Now, the third one is you diversifying your investment. Now, I'm not talking about stock as a whole. I'm talking about your investment. So this could be you taking your money into the stock market, investing your money into the stock market, and then also investing in crypto, investing in commodities. You can also buy government bonds. Let's say the stock market is actually not performing well. Crypto could be performing well. The commodity market could be performing well. Government bonds could perform well. And this will protect you from losing money. Also, another way you can actually protect yourself is by you setting up a business and investing your resources in a particular business. Now, let's say you don't have a business in mind. You can support a startup business by investing in that business, and if that business makes it, you make money. So these are ways you can actually diversify your investment, diversify your portfolio without you losing money. So that's it for this particular video. If you're new to this channel, I will encourage you, please subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell and smash the like button. For those of you already subscribed, thanks for subscribing. You're the star. You're the reason why we're making this video. So thank you very much. Do have yourself a lovely day. Bye now.